Hello, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about the questions. Many of you have asked me that before. Can you fly with the new telekinesis method? So not with my original method, the guru method, where you do telekinesis with your emotions, mainly love and attraction. With the new method, where you use your picture, your imagination to do telekinesis. Can you fly with that? And there's a long answer and the short answer. The short answer is yes, you can. You can levitate away from the ground for as long as you have the energy for. Can I fly with the new method? No, I cannot. Not yet. With the new method, and with the old method, yes, I can. But it is very hard to do that. To fly with my old method, it takes all of the kinesises there are. You have to use all of them in the same time. It's very hard on the brain, and it's very hard to do. And I can't just do it like this. Sometimes I can't do it at all. I actually have been practicing before I recorded this video. I practiced that, but I couldn't do it. I wanted to show it to you guys, but I don't feel it today. I'll try it again tomorrow, but today I can't. That's different to the new method. If you learn how to fly, how to levitate with the new method, you can do it at all times. Because it's not based on emotions. It's not dependent on feelings. All you need for that is in your head. You have to, of course, have a clear mind, but being very, very focused. Emotions, they can go all over. But if you're focused with a new method, you can fly everywhere you want. Can you fly faster and higher? And these things depends on your level, depends on your skill level. When I fly with our new method, I go 1 or 2 feet, half a meter away from the ground, and that's pretty much it. I can't just fly away, and I wouldn't even want to. What if something happens? Then I fall, then I break my legs. I don't want that. And because of this fear is holding me back. Pretty much the same with the new method. If you're afraid, if you're scared, it's gonna block you. It's gonna block your telekinetic powers. Doesn't matter if it's the old method or the new method. If you want to learn how to fly with the new method, I can't teach you that yet. What I can tell you though, I would just go back a few videos and learn the basics. I'm gonna teach you more about the new method along the way when I learn more about it myself, but I'm a beginner. What kind of teacher would I be? Teaching you something I didn't master myself yet. I'm telling you, not a very good teacher. So I'm taking it slowly. That's why I haven't been uploading that many videos recently, because I tried to learn the subject. I tried to learn it so I can teach you more. I almost haven't been doing my old telekinesis method. I do meditate. And sometimes when I meditate, I see an object I have a connection to. I do telekinesis. But really, I try to focus on the new method. The method where you really focus your mind, your picture, the object, how it's moving. It's not about the feeling, it's not about the connection. It's very new to me. Either way, if you want to fly with the new method, it's gonna be a lot of practice. But the moment you learned it, it's like riding a bicycle. You will be able to do it over and over without exceptions. If you want to learn how to fly, that might be the way. But I'm gonna know more about that after I succeed, after I'll be able